Hey guys, Colton Lindberg here with EXP Realty and the Callahan RE Group. Today we'll be talking about the pros and cons of living in the city of San Pedro. Alright, pro number one is the proximity to LA and the freeways. So the 110 literally ends right in San Pedro, so you're very close to the freeway. Sometimes traffic can be a nightmare, but usually the 110 is not too bad. Pro number two, San Pedro is an amazing upcoming community. We're seeing a lot of bars and a lot of restaurants popping up, especially in the downtown area of San Pedro. Pro number three, it is the last affordable beach city. Right now, the average home price sits right around $800 to $900. That is significantly cheaper than Redondo Beach, Hermosa Beach, and Manhattan. Con number one, it is LA County. So you have LA County services, that is what it is. So con number two, as well as being in LA County, they also have LA County school districts, and those are not known to be the best. There are some better options. There's Mary Star Catholic High School, which is a great school, as well as a couple of charter schools in the area as well. So there is options. Con number three, prices in this area are going up. As I said before, it's up and coming, and people are starting to realize that. If you bought a property in San Pedro even 2 to 3 years ago, you're sitting on a great investment, and you're probably sitting on a lot of equity as well. I talked to a lot of people who've owned for over 20 years. Trust me, they're stoked. Con number four is the homelessness. Homelessness is a big issue here in LA. If you look at all the mayoral candidates, they are all talking about it. It was the first thing that they brought up in their debates.
Vote for Pedro.
I'm filming this around the time where we in the city of Los Angeles are going to be electing our new mayor, and so this is a very hot button issue. Alright guys, well, that was the pros and cons of living in San Pedro, California. Also, if I missed any spots or I left out your favorite spot in San Pedro, please leave it in the comments down below. Before we go, one last thing, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. It helps me out showing this video to more people. Alright guys, I'm Colton Lindberg with the Callahan RE Group. Have a good rest of your day.